Ever wonder how money is really made? Venture with us, if you dare, inside the impenetrable walls of a high-security mint.
Paper, a simple material, yet for centuries.
Ever wonder what secrets are hidden in your wallet? US dollars have amazing security features. From humble fields, a fiber's journey, through industry's might, to symbols of wealth, cotton transforms into currency. Ever wonder what secrets are hidden in your wallet? US dollars have amazing security features. They say money talks, but the story of its birth is shrouded in silence, a secret whispered.
There are a number of reasons why US dollars are one of the hardest products to copy.
The production of US dollars is controlled by the Federal Reserve, which is the central bank of the United States.
Professor Stingam just hanteert suffer more fornen serper than Jington. At slitter parts and perping in the knees and a blot thing and at wrestling.
In the United States, only the federal government, specifically the Treasury Department's Bureau of Engraving and Printing, can legally print dollars.
Money manufacturing requires utmost accuracy. Any error, however small, can lead to significant financial disruptions and loss of public trust.
Currency authority refers to the institution responsible for issuing and managing a nation's money, ensuring its stability and integrity.
US
dollars are made of a special blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen, not paper. This gives them their distinct feel and durability.
This fabric is a blend of cotton and linen.
Wood contains lignin, which turns acidic over time, causing the paper to become brittle and yellow.
Got it.
Currency paper must withstand extensive handling, folding, and environmental factors like moisture and dirt. It needs to be tough enough for daily transactions.
So the dandy roll presses the design into the wet pulp, creating the watermark right here during the paper's formation.
During paper manufacturing, a security thread is strategically inserted into the paper.
Well, it's really important because these features are crucial to verify that the document is authentic and has not been tampered with. The thickness and texture of our materials can be precisely controlled, allowing for a wide range of applications.
One, explain why special green ink is used. 2,
In industrial automation, machine speed and synchronization are critical for efficiency and productivity.
First, let's talk about ink consistency and control, which are crucial for beautiful calligraphy.
Advanced printing presses often incorporate automated quality control systems. These systems use high-resolution cameras and image processing software.
Each color is applied separately. So for a full color image, it needs at least 4 passes, one for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black.
Color-shifting ink technology relies on microparticles, often metallic flakes and dielectric materials, suspended in a polymer. Ultraviolet security features are hidden elements in documents that only become visible under UV light, revealing intricate patterns or text.